Hello dear students, in this tutorial video I am going to tell you about MSW logo. Now MSW logo is a programming language. A programming language means that using a programming language you can communicate with the computer. A user can communicate with the computer and can instruct to do some tasks. So a logo is a programming language developed by mathematician Seymour Papert. The full form of this complete word logo is logic oriented, graphic oriented. Logic oriented, graphic oriented, which means that using some logic, mostly mathematical logic, you can create some graphics. So let us understand how we can use this logo. To start logo, you will double click on this logo shortcut on the desktop. You will see this window. Now in this window, you can see that this window is having three parts. Basically we call it two parts only because the third part is a sub part of this commander window only. So basically the logo window is divided into two parts. The first part is called main screen, where you can see my pointer is, and this is the main area where you see the output of your logo commands. Okay, so this is called main screen. It has an object like a triangle in this somewhere center of the screen. This is called logo turtle. This object is called logo turtle, and this is the object that moves according to your commands. So whatever commands you are going to give to the logo will create drawings according to your commands, and this logo turtle will move on this main screen. So main screen is the main output window of your logo programs. Now this turtle, the logo turtle that you can see, it is a triangle, but you can change this image into an actual looking like turtle only. So this triangle is called logo turtle, and the pointed end of this triangle is called its head, and the bottom part is called its tail. So wherever the head is, there only the logo turtle will move. In that direction only the turtle is going to move. It is similar to the tip of a pencil. So wherever the tip of the pencil is going to move when you are making your drawing, there only you will see the drawing also, in that direction only. So this is called head and this is called tail, and the drawing made by the logo turtle is called a trail, T-R-A-I-L, trail. Okay, so that's about the main screen. Now this position, the default position of this logo turtle is called home position. Okay. So whenever you will start your logo window, you will always find this logo turtle at this position. Now the second part of logo window is called commander window. So it has two parts. In the first part you will see all commands. Whatever commands you will give in logo, you will see all those commands in commander window. You cannot type anything in this command. You will see the cursor flashing, but nothing can be typed. The third part, this commander window has one more portion called input box. So this is the main place where you write your logo commands. The commander window also has certain buttons to control the program flow and to stop it or to reset it from the beginning. Now the input box is the main place from where we start typing the commands. So now let us learn how we can instruct the logo turtle to make a rectangle for us. Now before that, we must understand that logo commands are called primitives. So if we say that we have to give a primitive, this means that we have to give a logo command. Now let us learn how we can make the turtle move forward by a certain number of steps. So the command to move forward is FD. It is a good practice if we write the commands in capital letters, but otherwise logo can accept your command in small letters also. Now when you will write FD, you will have to give the number of steps. So let us take 100 steps. So FD 100 is the command to make your logo turtle move forward by 100 steps. Once you have given the command, simply press enter key. Now you can see that the turtle has moved forward by 100 steps and is pointing towards top. Now I have to turn the turtle. So to turn the turtle, the command is right turn, right turn, RT, and with RT you will have to give the angle at which you want the turtle to make a turn. So for straight lines, if we want the turtle to turn in a straight line direction, you will have to give 90 degree angle. So I am giving RT 90. Now please remember that by giving RT or LT, LT is for left turn, RT is for right turn. By giving LT or RT command, your turtle will only turn. It will not move. Now to make the turtle move, you will again have to give FD. So since I am making a rectangle, this time I am giving 200 as FD. FD 200. Now I want my turtle to go down again. So again RT 90. And then again FD 100, so that it becomes parallel to the first line that we created. And again RT 90 and then FD 200 this time, because it's a rectangle, so opposite sides need to be equal. Now this is the rectangle drawing that we have made. In case we wanted to make a square, the only thing that will change is the number of steps. So for a square drawing, the number of steps will remain the same throughout. Now, if you want to hide the turtle, the command is HT, HT. So the turtle will get hidden. Now, if you want to show the turtle, the command is ST, show turtle, ST. So the turtle will be visible again. Now, so this is all about your logo command to make a rectangle. Now, there are few more important commands that we need to know while understanding the basic commands. If we want to clear the drawing from the main screen, there are two ways. There are two commands basically. One is called clear screen and other is called clean. Now let us understand the difference between the two. The clear screen command will remove the drawing from the main screen but will bring the turtle back to the home position. Whereas the clean command will not change the position of the turtle, but it will still clear the drawing from the main screen. So let us do clean command first. So now you can see whatever was the position of the turtle when the rectangle drawing was complete, the turtle is still at this position only. Now if I give any command and I now erase it using CS, clear screen, you will see the turtle will come back to its home position also. So this is the main difference between clear screen and clean. Clean will not change the position of the turtle. Both clear screen and clean will clean the drawing from the main screen, but the position of turtle will not be changed in clean command. Now there is one more command called CT. CT command is used to clear the text from the commander window. And the full form of this command is clear text, CT. So if I type CT, you will see the commander window will be blank again. So we have HT, we have FD command to move forward, we have BK command to move backward, we have LT to take a left turn, we have RT to take a right turn, then we have HT to show the hide the turtle, ST to show the turtle. Now clear screen, CS command to clean the screen and bring the turtle to home position. We have clean command to clean the screen but do not change the position of the turtle. And then we have CT, clear text, to simply remove the commands from the commander window. Now other thing is, how can we save our drawings in Logo? Now unlike other software, you cannot save your drawings in Logo by going to the file menu. To save your drawings in Logo, you will have to go to the bitmap menu and you have to click on save. And next time when you need to open that drawing, you will click on load. Now one important thing we must remember is that Logo, when you will save your drawings in bitmap, you cannot save the commands given. So if you want to save your commands also separately, either you can copy those commands in a separate WordPad or MS Word file, or you can note them down somewhere. So this is all about the basic introduction of Logo, and I hope that you will be able to understand how to make simple drawings in Logo. Now once you have seen this video, you can try making drawings like a rectangle, like a square, or you can try making block letters like letter T, letter I, letter L, letter E, letter F. So these all are block letters in which only straight lines are used basically. So a 90-degree turn will take place when you will give the commands. So I think I am able to make this chapter make you understand this chapter very well, and now you can do hands-on practice to learn more. Thank you.